Hey, what's going on? This is Matt Dakar, and I want to welcome you to this quick demo for your quote. So what I wanted to explain in this quick video is I wanted to show you exactly what my screen will look like when we get on the phone and I go through your information and I get you your quotes. I want to show you how simple and easy this is, just like if we were filling it out in person. Of course, it is 2018, and there are some advances in technology that allows us to do screen shares like this. So a lot of times what I usually do is I will get on the phone when it's a convenient time and we'll actually sit down. I'll share this screen with you. It would look just like this and we would go through the information. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just kind of dummy some of this quick stuff here. Um, John Doe, I'm going to put, um, we'll say John Doe is 53 and he lives in, I don't know, let's say he lives in Texas. We're going to do a term product because that's what mortgage protection is based usually on. We're going to do, we'll do a typical 30 years, okay? And I'm going to do 250,000. Now I could choose, multiple amounts. Maybe you want to see what 150 might look like, 250, and so on and so forth. Riders, I'm going to put return of premium. That's something that we will talk about on the call about how you can, and I mentioned previously on the page you're on right now about how you can get all your money back if you don't end up using this plan. Hopefully you don't, because that would mean something terrible happened, and we don't want that. So basically what I usually do is I just select, we'll do just standard, because typically that's right in the middle and you can be rated higher or lower, and typically I'll just start right in standard, give you basically an average price. Now this is usually this is based on obviously underwriting. Now also on the call I will talk about there are different types, so this would be a fully underwritten policy, and I don't want you to get trapped up in what that means right now. We'll talk about that, but this is just assuming right now it's a standard policy. It's going to be underwritten, and that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna click get quotes. That doesn't make any sense. Hold on a second. Let's see here. Maybe it's because return of premium for a person that old is probably, yeah, I made this person a little bit too old, so we'll do 70. Let's do 73. We'll make him 45, and maybe we'll do 20 years. Maybe it's a refinance. I'm just trying to show you how this works. So we would go through this obviously, and you could see my screen as we're doing this. So as you can see, these are annual premiums. I could do a monthly premium. Now, I don't want you to get scared by these numbers. This is just a stupid, quick example, but I want to show you this is how the info comes up. Okay, I would be sharing this screen with you. You would see in real time the quotes. I can do monthly, I can show you quarterly, I can show you semi-annually, and I can show you annually. Now there is a discount. Obviously, the less payments you make, there's less expenses from the companies, so they charge you less. But if you look at a basic monthly premium, we're looking at, Columbia Life Insurance Company coming in at 184, Prudential's 190, and Assurity would be 199.89. Now, this is a great example because Assurity is actually a company that would not require you to do a paramedical exam, and we'll get into that in the call. But so again, just wanted to show you how quick this can be. I wanted to show you that it's very transparent when we go through this. If I make this person even a little bit older, and we just do, let's say 30 years, we don't do return, and let's make this 150. So and I'm going to do 250 here, just to show you how we can how this works, and how easy this is, and how streamlined this is, and you would be involved. See, now this is a more standard policy, right? It's a younger person. Based on a 30-year mortgage, we'll do a monthly premium. I did two different amounts here. You can see for 30 years, we've got Foresters, we've got Pac Life, American National, we've got William Penn, Minnesota, Lincoln, Protective. Obviously, the list. Look at I mean, you can see in real time the rates, right? They're pretty close, and then they get higher, 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 higher. Obviously, when we go up into the higher amount of insurance, so from 150, to 250, it actually doesn't even change all that much. So again, this would be in real time. You would see this. You would be able to. Then basically, we would pick a policy. So let's say we were going to go for this, this 150 Foresters policy. We would just click apply, and we can actually do an e-app right here. I would click this start e-app button, and then we would go right to the e-application, and we could fill it out right in real time. You can see it on the screen as I'm filling it out, and you could consent to everything, and boom, your policy would be ready to be bound. Everything would be sent to you via email. You'd get copies of everything just like you would if we were in person. It's it's faster, and everything would be done, and all you'd have to do is satisfy the requirements, and then your policy would be issued, and boom, you'd be protected. Okay? So I hope this is a good demo. It shows you kind of how simple this is, and how you can be on the same screen as me, and you can see everything in real time. And now what I'm going to do is urge you to click that button below. Take advantage of the bonus if it's still on this page right now. Take advantage of that bonus. Click the button, book your quote, book your call. We can get your quote together. I can show you this in real time, like I said. Book a time when it's convenient for you and you can be together. If there's going to be more than one person involved, it'd be better if you were both together and you had 25, 30 minutes so we could sit down and I can go through these quotes with you. Choose something that's going to benefit you. Choose something that's going to be right for you. Explain it all. We can go through the application process together right on the screen, and everything's transparent and ready to go. So again, this is Matt Dakar. I appreciate you for taking the time to check out this website, check out these videos. Go ahead, click that button below, take advantage of the bonus, book your call, get your quotes, and let's get you protected. All right, have a great day.